This next video for Microsoft Teams is about using the actual desktop app you can download as opposed to accessing it online. Now, they're both going to be the same as long as you use the hub email address that you've got to log in online, or whether you use the hub email address to log in on your desktop app. They're both linked anyway, so any changes you make in the desktop app are always going to be mirrored online. So I've already got this installed. I think most of you have got it installed on your machine in school, but what I'll do, I'll come around and make sure that everybody's got the desktop version, so you're able to access it quickly when you open your machine up. So if I go down to the bottom of my screen, you'll see if I take my cursor down that I've already got Microsoft Teams installed. Now if I click on it, it'll take me to a login window. Now, the problem I think a lot of you have got is because of the nature and way that the system is set up, it's taking you directly to your Merthyr email addresses or your SCH account. So the best thing to do, just delete everything out of this sign-in window and make sure that you've got a basic screen in front of you. I'm going to start typing in my details. As you see, I'm putting my hub details. Now, if I click on sign in, it's taking me to my password. My password in. Now, because I'm using it from home, as I've previously mentioned, it's asking me for my authenticator code. So I'm going to wait for the next one to generate, because they generate every 30 seconds and it's automatic. So I've got my code in front of me. Click on verify. As you'll see in front of you, the Teams app is now loading. I've got my application window in front of me, and all I've got to do is click over to the left-hand side of the screen, and I've got all my teams which have been set up in front of me, my Tedeschi General, Humphrey, and then specific teams for specific reasons or specific members of staff. And that's basically how you install the app. On screen, you'll see, as mentioned earlier, it's exactly the same as the online version. Everything's accessible from within there. You've got your files, your staff notebook, your meeting notes. It's exactly the same as the online version. It just means that when you come in the morning, you should have already have it logged in on screen and you're able to access it quickly.